Hi there. Today I have my fourth junk journal that I made for my son Magnus, and this is the last one that I have completed at this point in time, although looking back through them, I have got the itch to make up a few more. This is actually something from Pixel Scrapper that I had printed out on transparency, which I am not brave enough to do on my home printer, which has some problems, but I did have it done at, I think, like Office Max. So that's a fun way to print out things, to give things a little different look. I'm planning, I have all of these photos I've taken every month, and I'm planning to make some sort of little album. I guess at this point I might as well wait until he's got to a year, then I can try to decide what I want to do. Oh, is there something in here? There is. This is him eating in the school cafeteria where we like to eat, one of the perks of living on campus. Little mini. Here he is very seriously reading his book. There's a little journaling in there. Oh, and a tag. Surprise. Oh, so many tags. There's a little note in there. Here we have a bunch of things going on. Magnus. Some little journaling. It is quite hard for me to remember to stick some journaling in these projects because that's not really what I enjoy doing, so I always forget to do it. But occasionally I remember and stick something in. There we go. All finished.